Hello guys, welcome to Lady O's kitchen. Let us prepare and enjoy pasta salad today. Guys, this is where I will do the mixture. This is my mayonnaise. Quantity as desired. I will mix it with Miracle Whip because I need the sour taste and the sweet taste combined together. I'll also add my sweet relish. So I'm adding my sweet relish as desired. Like I've always said, if the quantity is not enough, I am free to add more. Then I will add my milk to dilute and mix the combination. I'll also add little salt. So the mixture is ready while the pasta is still cooking. So guys, while the pasta is cooking and we are still waiting for it, let us continue to do some other preparations. So I'm using this mackerel fish. Is it? Oh, it's salmon. I'm using salmon fish. So I'm draining the juice from the salmon fish, which I will use to steam my onions and my cherry tomato that will get into the pasta salad. Yeah, let it heat up a little bit. Then I'll add my onions and my cherry tomato. So guys, even though I really love onions, as you guys know that Lady O loves lots of onions, I don't really like my onions raw. So because of that, I'm going to at least warm it up. That's why you see me warming it up with the salmon juice. So the onions and the cherry tomato goes in there. It will stay here for just a little time, just to warm it up. This is going to be delicious. Alright guys, the pasta is ready. We are going to drain it and run cold water. Process is That is my mayonnaise, my whipped cream, and the sweet relish. Now, my salmon fish. This is rich. Mixing. Then I'll add my onions and my cherry tomatoes, which I warmed up. Oh, this is looking so good, even though it's still hot. It's still hot. Guys, do you in your kitchen, just prepare your meal as desired. This is going to be delicious. Whatever I need, if I need more ingredients, I will still add. This is looking so good. Now my egg here is optional. You can add egg or you can skip it. This is just Lady O doing her thing in her kitchen. Mixing until all the ingredients caramelize. Guys, this is pasta salad from Lady O's kitchen. Try this at home and enjoy it. More salmon fish. More onions, cherry tomato. Just garnish it and make it colorful, beautiful, and add all the taste. My cup is running over. Okay, let me test it and see. This is rich. Oh my God. I tell you guys, try this at home. Bye bye.